Question number 1. The shape of Ahom coins was. The correct answer is option D, octagonal. Question number 2. Who among the following Assamese leader joined the famous Dandi March? The correct answer is option B, Liladhar Borua. Question number 3. Which is the first mobile theatre group of Assam? The correct answer is option C, Kohinoor Opera. Question number 4. Which was the first Assamese children magazine? The correct answer is option A, Lora Bondhu. Question number 5. Who is the first Assamese woman to participate in the Olympics? The correct answer is option C, Loflina Borgohain. Question number 6. Who is the first female poet of Assam? The correct answer is option A, I. Padmapriya. Question number 7. In which district of Assam is Numaligarh Oil Refinery located? The correct answer is option B, Golaghat. Question number 8. What is the original name of Naranarayan of Koch's kingdom? The correct answer is option C, Malladeva. Question number 9. Who was the first editor of the Assamese magazine Jonaki? The correct answer is option B, Chandra Kumar Agarwala. Question number 10. What was the old name of Tinsukia? The correct answer is option D, Bengmara. Question number 11. Which of the following musical instruments belong to the Boro tribe of Assam? The correct answer is option A, Sifung. Sifung is a musical instrument of the Boros. Tongtorong is a musical instrument of the Tiwas. Dumdum is a musical instrument of the Misings. Seng is a musical instrument of the Karbis. Question number 12. In which year did Pothorugat peasant uprising take place in Dorong district of Assam? The correct answer is option B, 1894. Question number 13. What is the Brahmaputra river known as in China? The correct answer is option A, Yarlang Sengpo. The Brahmaputra is known as Yarlang Sengpo in Tibet, China, Sieng or Dihang in Arunachal Pradesh, Brahmaputra or Luit in Assam, and Jamuna in Bangladesh. Question number 14. By what name is Manos river known in Bhutan? The correct answer is option A, Drengmi Chuhu. Question number 15. When was Manas National Park declared as a national park? The correct answer is option C, 1990. Question number 16. Which Ahom king constructed the Vasistha temple at Guwahati? The correct answer is option C, Rajeshwar Singha. The Vasistha temple at Guwahati was constructed by Ahom king Rajeshwar Singha in 1764 AD. Question number 17. Which Assamese singer is also known as Luit Kontho? The correct answer is option D, Jubin Garg. Apart from the name Luit Kontho, Jubin Garg is also known as Goldie, heartthrob of Assam. Question number 18. Which of the following Assamese has been conferred the Green Oscar Whitley Gold Award 2024? The correct answer is option A, Purnima Devi Bormon. Dr. Purnima Devi Bormon is an Indian wildlife biologist from Assam. She has been conferred the 2024 Whitley Gold Award, also known as the Green Oscar, by the UK charity Whitley Fund for Nature for her efforts to save the greater adjutant stork. Question number 19. Which of the following national park is often referred to as the Amazon of the East? The correct answer is option D, Dihing Patkai National Park. Question number 20. In which year was Birubala Rawa conferred with Padma Shri by Government of India? The correct answer is option C, 2021. Birubala Rabha is an Indian activist from Assam renowned for her fight against witch hunting in India. In 2021, the government of India conferred the Padma Shri on Birubala Rabha for her contributions to social work. Question number 21. In which year was Assam brought under President's rule for the first time? The correct answer is option C, 1979. President's rule was imposed 4 times on Assam. First, 12 December 1979 to 5 December 1980. Second, 30 June 1981 to 13 January 1982. Third, 19 March 1982 to 27 February 1983. And fourth, 28 November 1990 to 30 June 1991. Question number 22. Which of the following is a tributary of Borak River? The correct answer is option B, Jatinga. Tributaries of the Borak River. Right or north bank tributaries: Jiri, Siri, Madhura, Jatinga, Morang. South or left bank tributaries: Sonai, Ghagra, Katakhal, Dholeshwari, Singla, Longai, Rakni. Question number 23. Which of the following dance is also called butterfly dance? The correct answer is option A, Bagurumba dance. The Bagurumba dance is a traditional dance of the Boro tribe of Assam. It is also known as butterfly dance as it resembles the movement of butterflies and birds. Question number 24. Which state has the largest number of tea gardens? The correct answer is option D, Assam. Assam has the largest number of tea gardens in India. Assam is the largest producer of tea in India. It alone contributes over 50% of the country's total tea production. Question number 25. Bhupen Hazarika was awarded the Bharat Ratna in the year. The correct answer is option D, 2019. Question number 26. Which of the following Assamese poet is popularly known as Ekhut Kokaideu? The correct answer is option A, Nobokanto Borua. Question number 27. Who awarded the Kolaguru title to Vishnu Prasad Rabha? The correct answer is option B, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Question number 28. Who was the author of Buronji Vivek Ratna? The correct answer is option A, Muniram Dewan. Question number 29. When was the Assam Accord signed? The correct answer is option B, the 15th of August 1985. Question number 30. In which place of Assam is Asia's largest dry fish market located? The correct answer is option B, Jagirot. Asia's largest dry fish market is located at Jagirot town of Morigao district of Assam. Question number 31. What is the capital of Assam? The correct answer is option D, Dispur. Question number 32. What is the total area of Assam? The correct answer is option A, 78,438 square kilometer. Question number 33. Presently, how many national parks are there in Assam? The correct answer is option D, 7. Question number 34. How many seats are in Legislative Assembly of Assam? The correct answer is option C, 126. Question number 35. How many Lok Sabha constituencies are there in Assam? The correct answer is option C, 14. Question number 36. How many seats are allocated to Assam in Rajya Sabha? The correct answer is option D, 7. Question number 37. What is the state bird of Assam? The correct answer is option C, white-winged wood duck. Question number 38. What is the state song of Assam? The correct answer is option A, O Mur Apunar Desh. Question number 39. What is the state animal of Assam? The correct answer is option B, one-horned rhinoceros. Question number 40. What is the state flower of Assam? The correct answer is option B, foxtail orchid. Foxtail orchid is also known as kopo phool in Assam. Question number 41. What is the state tree of Assam? The correct answer is option C, holong. Question number 42. What is the state dance of Assam? The correct answer is option B, Bihu dance. Question number 43. What is the state festival of Assam? The correct answer is option A, Bihu. Question number 44. What is the state fruit of Assam? The correct answer is option B, Kaji Nemu or Citrus lemon. The botanical name of Kaji Nemu is Citrus lemon. Question number 45. What is the state drink of Assam? The correct answer is option B, tea. In 2012, the Assam government declared tea as the state drink of Assam. Question number 46. What is the state aquatic animal of Assam? The correct answer is option B, river dolphin or hihu. The Ganges River dolphin is locally known as hihu, and it was declared as state aquatic animal of Assam by the Assam government in 2008, and in 2009 the central government notified it as the national aquatic animal of India. Question number 47. Who was the first Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly? The correct answer is option B, Babu Bosanto Kumar Das. Babu Bosanto Kumar Das was the first Speaker of Assam Legislative Assembly. Biswajit Doimari is the current Speaker of the Assam Legislative Assembly. Question number 48. The Kamakhya Temple is located on which hilltop? The correct answer is option B, Nilasol Hill. Question number 49. The Navagraha Temple is located on which hilltop? The correct answer is option A, Citrasol Hill. Question number 50. The Umananda Temple is located on which hilltop? The correct answer is option C, Bhosmasol Hill. The Bhosmasol Hill is also known as Bhosmakot Hill. The Umananda Temple was built by Ahom King Godadhar Singha in 1694 AD. Question number 51. Hayagriva Madhava Temple is situated on which hilltop? The correct answer is option D, Monikut Hill. Question number 52. Assam Sahitya Sabha was founded in which year? The correct answer is option C, 1917. The headquarters of Assam Sahitya Sabha is situated at Jorhat. Dr. Surya Hazarika is the current president of Assam Sahitya Sabha. Question number 53. Who was the first president of the Assam Sahitya Sabha? The correct answer is option A, Padmanath Gohai Borua. Padmanath Gohai Borua was the first president of Assam Sahitya Sabha held in Shivsagar in 1917. Chandradhar Borua was the second president of Assam Sahitya Sabha. Question number 54. The Bodo Sahitya Sabha was founded in which year? The correct answer is option A, 1952. The Bodo Sahitya Sabha was founded on 16th of November 1952. Question number 55. Who was the first president of Bodo Sahitya Sabha? The correct answer is option B. Joybhodro Hakier. Satish Chandra Bosumotari was the second president of Bodo Sahitya Sabha. Dr. Surath Nazari is the current president of Bodo Sahitya Sabha. Question number 56. When was Guwahati Tea Auction Center established? The correct answer is option C. 1970. Question number 57. Sri Surya Pahar is located in which district of Assam? The correct answer is option B. Goalpara. Question number 58. Where is Poa Mecca in Assam located? The correct answer is option B. Hajo. Question number 59. Poa Mecca in Assam is the tomb of. The correct answer is option D. Pir Ghiyasuddin Aulia. Question number 60. The Poa Mecca is located on which hilltop? The correct answer is option B. Garurasol Hill. Question number 61. Who built Poa Mecca in 1657 AD? The correct answer is option A. Sujauddin Muhammad Shah. Question number 62. In which year was Bhupen Hazarika conferred with Dada Saheb Phalke Award? The correct answer is option C. 1992. Question number 63. Who gave the Hudakonto title to Dr. Bhupen Hazarika? The correct answer is option A. Anando Chandra Borua. Question number 64. Which of the following Assamese singer is popularly known as the Bard of Brahmaputra? The correct answer is option A. Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Question number 65. Which of the following singer is popularly known as Bihu Samrat or King of Bihu? The correct answer is option B. Khogen Mohanto. Question number 66. The first album by Zubin Garg was. The correct answer is option A. Anamika. Question number 67. In which year Zubin Garg won Global Indian Film Award for the Best Male Playback Singer for the song Ya Ali? The correct answer is option D. 2006. Question number 68. Who was the first woman president of the Assam Sahitya Sabha? The correct answer is option C. Nolini Bala Devi. Question number 69. In which year was Satriya Nritya recognized as a classical dance by the Sangeet Natak Academy? The correct answer is option B. 2000. Question number 70. Who is the first Assamese woman to win Sangeet Natak Academy Award? The correct answer is option D. Pratima Borua Pandey. Question number 71. In which year Assam's only Ramsar site, Dipor Bill, was designated as a Ramsar site? The correct answer is option C. 2002. Question number 72. Which is the largest wetland of Assam? The correct answer is option B. Sonbil. The Sonbil is located in Karimganj district of Assam. It is the second largest wetland in Asia. Question number 73. Which of the following is a Neolithic site in the Dima Hasao district of Assam? The correct answer is option D. Daojali Heading. Question number 74. The Battle of Saraighat was fought between Lasit Borphukan and. The correct answer is option C. Ram Singh. The Battle of Saraighat was fought between the Mughal Empire and the Ahom Kingdom in 1671 on the banks of the Brahmaputra River at Saraighat. The Mughal army was led by Rajput Prince Ram Singh and the Ahom army was led by Ahom commander Lasit Borphukan. Question number 75. Name the Tea Research Institute at Jorhat. The correct answer is option B. Toklai. The Tea Research Institute at Jorhat is the world's largest and oldest tea research institute. It was founded in 1911. Question number 76. Name the first Toki in Assamese. The correct answer is option C, Joymoti. The first Assamese movie, Joymoti, was released on March 10, 1935 and it was directed by Jyoti Prasad Agarwala. Question number 77. The Assam Medical College is situated in. The correct answer is option D, Dibrugarh. The Assam Medical College is situated in Dibrugarh. It was founded on November 3, 1947. It was formerly known as Berry White Medical School. It is the first medical college in Assam, an entire northeast region of India. Question number 78. Amongst the following bridges, which one is at the easternmost place? The correct answer is option C, Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Bhupen Hazarika Setu, also known as Dhola Sodia Bridge, is constructed over Lohit River in Tinsukia, Assam. The total length of the river is 9.15 kilometers and it connects Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. It was inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2020. Question number 79. Which of the following river is in the Borak Valley? The correct answer is option B, Kushiara. Question number 80. Where is Assam Women's University located? The correct answer is option B, Jorhat. Assam Women's University is a public university located in Jorhat district of Assam. It was established by the Assam government in 2013. Question number 81. In which track and field sports does Hima Das participate? The correct answer is option C, sprints, short distance. Hima Das, nicknamed Dhing Express, is an Indian sprinter from Assam. She became the first Indian woman, indeed the first ever Indian athlete to win a gold medal in any format of a global track event at IAAF World Under-20 Championships, when she clocked a speed of 51.46 seconds. Hima Das is the first sports ambassador of Assam. She was conferred with Arjuna Award by the President of India on 25 September 2018. Question number 82. Who was awarded the Assam Vaibhav Award in December 2021? The correct answer is option B, Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata is the first recipient of the highest civilian award of Assam, the Assam Vaibhav. In 2022, the Assam Vaibhav was conferred on renowned Assamese oncologist Dr. Tapan Soikia. In 2023, the Assam Vaibhav was conferred to former Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi. Question number 83. On whose birthday is Abhiruchi Sports Day celebrated in Assam? The correct answer is option A, Bhogeshwar Borua. Bhogeshwar Borua is the first Arjuna Award winner from Assam in 1966. Abhiruchi Sports Day is observed annually in Assam on 3 September to mark the birthday of eminent athlete Bhogeshwar Borua. Question number 84. Which one of the following places connect Assam with Arunachal Pradesh? The correct answer is option A, Dirak. Question number 85. Who was the first person from Assam to clear the Indian Civil Service examination? The correct answer is option B, Anandaram Borua. Question number 86. Between which two towns is the Naranarayan Setu situated? The correct answer is option C, Jogi Ghopa and Pancharatna. The Naranarayan Setu was inaugurated on April 15, 1998 by the then Prime Minister of India Atal Bihari Vajpayee. It is the third bridge constructed over the Brahmaputra River. The total length of the bridge is 2.284 kilometers and it connects Jogi Ghopa, a town in Bongaigaon district, with Pancharatna, a town of Gwalpara district. Question number 87. Who was the last king of the Ahom kingdom? The correct answer is option D. Purandar Singha. Sukafa is the first Ahom king. He founded the Ahom kingdom in 1228 AD. Question number 88. Lakshminath Besbarua's poem O Mur Apunar Desh was first published in. The correct answer is option A. Bahi. Lakshminath Besbarua's poem O Mur Apunar Desh was first published in an Assamese magazine named Bahi in 1909. It was officially adopted as the Assam's state song in 1927. The tune of the poem was made by Komala Prasad Agarwala. Question number 89. Who was the Chief Minister of Assam immediately after Gopinath Bordoloi? The correct answer is option C. Vishnuram Medhi. Gopinath Bordoloi was the first Chief Minister of Assam from 1946 to 1950. Vishnuram Medhi became the Chief Minister of Assam immediately after Gopinath Bordoloi from 1950 to 1957. After Vishnuram Medhi, Bimala Prasad Soliha became the Chief Minister of Assam from 1957 to 1970. Question number 90. The first modern theatre hall of Assam, the Ban Theatre, is located in. The correct answer is option C. Tezpur. The first modern theatre hall of Assam, the Ban Theatre, is located in Tezpur. It was established in the year 1906. Question number 91. In which movement during India's struggle for independence was Konaklata Borua martyred? The correct answer is option B. Quit India. Konaklata Borua was a teen freedom martyr from Assam who laid down her life during the Indian freedom movement. She was martyred in Quit India movement of 1942. Question number 92. Where is the Assam State Museum located? The correct answer is option B. Guwahati. The Assam State Museum is located at the southern end of Digholi Pukhuri Tank in Guwahati. It was founded by the Kamrupa Anusandhan Samiti and was established in the year 1940. Question number 93. In which year the capital of Assam shifted from Shillong to Dispur? The correct answer is option C. 1973. Question number 94. The first private bank of Assam set up in the year 1926 was. The correct answer is option B. The Guwahati Bank Limited. Question number 95. In which year was the first Saraighat Bridge in Guwahati built? The correct answer is option C. 1962. Question number 96. Village Rockstars was directed by. The correct answer is option C. Rima Das. Village Rockstars was directed by Rima Das. It is an Assamese language film which was released in 2017. It was the only Indian movie nominated for 91st Oscar Awards. Music is given by Pritam Datta. It received the Best Feature Film Swarna Kamal Award at 65th National Film Awards. Question number 97. The chief of the Ahom military during the reign of Suhumung and the husband of Mula Gabhoru was. The correct answer is option B. Phrasenmung Borguhai. Question number 98. Bodoland Territorial Council is a result of which of the following constitutional provisions? The correct answer is option C. 6th Schedule. The provisions regarding the Bodoland Territorial Council are incorporated in the 6th Schedule to the Constitution. It was constituted on February 10, 2003. Question number 99. Which of the following states does not share border with Assam? The correct answer is option B. Sikkim. Sikkim does not share its border with Assam. Assam shares its border with 7 states. They are Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya, and West Bengal. Question number 100. Which district of Assam was created in January 2022? The correct answer is option C, Tamulpur. At present, there are 35 districts in Assam. Tamulpur was formally declared as the 35th district of Assam on January 23, 2022. Thanks for watching, and guys, if you like my video, please like, comment, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.